What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. Here we have this question. A sample of hydrogen at 3.5 atm had its pressure decreased to 0.85 atm, producing a new volume of 650 milliliter. What was the sample's original volume? So here we have two assumptions, that one of them is we have ideal gas, and the second assumption is we have constant temperature. Then we can use Boyle's law, which we had it before. P1 times V1 equals to P2 times V2. It means that the multiplication of pressure and volume is constant. P1 is 3.5. V1 is not given. P2 is 0.85 and V2 is 650 milliliter. You need to be very careful about the units. So V1 will be 0.85 times 650 divided by 3.5. So where's the calculator? Here. 0.85 times 650 divided by 3.5, which is gonna be 157.85 milliliters. So that's the final answer, 157.85. As you see here, when the pressure reduced, volume increased, because it's changed from 157.85 all the way to 650 milliliters. So whenever pressure reduced, volume increased. So that's the initial volume, and you need to be very careful that this one is in terms of milliliter. So I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.